how to create a new password for Fantasy Premier League. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your FPL app, get logged into your FPL account, then tap on three-dot icon that says More on your bottom right. As you do so, under Settings, tap on Manage Account. Scroll below, then you will see Account Security. Tap on Account Security, then tap on Update Password. So first of all, you have to enter your old password. Once you're done, type in a new password at the new password box. Make sure that your password is 8 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase, and fulfills all these criteria. Once you're done, tap on Update Password. Just like so, this is how you will be able to change or create yourself a new FPL password. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you have found this to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.